Hey guys, Tim here, Spec Technologies, first week of October 2020. I want to show you what we've been referring to as Big Yella. Big Yella. She's an 18-foot enclosed trailer here, 10,400 GVW, 18 feet, 6-inch frame. Beautiful yellow color, guys. You want to get some attention going down the road. This is the color to pick. Put some lettering on it. You see we got a 24-inch door here. We've got a 48-inch door here. Divider wall. It's nice that the components match this. Really good looking trailer. You'll see our custom hose rack that we have built for us. 3 shelves. Holds about 300 feet of hose. Got some safety striping on the bottom there. Some reflective tape. You'll see our compressor here, 35 CFM compressor, battery box. We turned the manual drain around. Usually comes with a little tiny fuel tank up here. Runs about an hour, maybe an hour and 45 minutes. And what I discussed with the customer is let's go ahead and put an 18-gallon tank on here. So he's got 18 gallons of fuel to run his compressor. He's got a 15-gallon tank on the generator. You'll see this is a Winco 18,000 watt generator. Very nice trailer. We have bar locks on here. Help keep these doors shut, especially when they swing backwards like this. You don't want the air getting up underneath the front of that door and ripping it off. These two close towards the rear, but we still have bar locks on there. Tie backs to hold the doors open. Very nice heavy duty crank on this trailer. This is built by Manley. We pay about an extra $1,000 for this trailer, but it is much heavier duty than the less expensive trailers that we buy. You'll see the fuel tank system here, vented out the bottom. Again, the generator. Nice heavy duty hinges on these doors. Nothing cheap. Good heavy duty radial tires. He opted for the barn doors on the back and not the ramps. As you step up inside the trailer here, you're going to see our contractor starter pack. Comes with gloves. We've got some Pura back there on the top left corner. Spray release for his respirator system, whichever respirator he decides to use. We have a desiccant dryer here in this tall cylinder. This is our flush pot system that we sell. You'll see a video up on our YouTube page how to use that. Box of rags, some jumpsuits there in the back. He's got his TSL for his machine. And again, we've got another Graco A25 here. And we'll show you how this setup is. Breaker box, everything labeled. We'll go ahead and flip these lights on. Got some light up in this trailer. Turn the machine on. He's got outlet breakers. Breaker for his dryer. 50 CFM refrigerated air dryer. You'll see our T3 Graco drum pumps. And again, the Graco A25 2000 PSI machine runs 210 feet of hose. 6,000 watts of heat. Great little insulation machine. If you needed to do a small roof with it, you could. And we can spray a little bit of coating. Something you'll notice here, we have accessorized this with pressure sensors, temperature gauges, both on the high output side, also on the low pressure input side. We've tapped into a few things on this machine internally. And what we've done, this is built in our shop. We have a data tracking system that tracks absolutely everything that the machine does. And we'll show you that in a second. I'll punch that into the editing. The data tracking. And what this data tracking reads is drum temperature, drum pressures, high pressure, which is the spray hose pressure, gallons left in the rig. So we've actually done calculations and we've done some physical testing to let us know how much material is running through this thing per stroke. High pressure temperature, that is the the temperature of the main heat blocks, hose temperature, ambient temperature, relative humidity, dew point. You've got total count that can be reset just by touching the keypad. We've got some backlogs here that log pressures. You can see how the pressures are logged. Okay, we can go back here, monitor temperatures, and this tracks all this. You can put all this onto a thumb drive, and Dave, my systems guy, sat down and wrote all the ladder logic for this. Put the date, back home, takes you back to the main screen. And what this does is this monitors everything that this machine does. We've put sensors in strategic places. We have pressure sensors, we have temperature sensors on the front of the machine. We have temperature and pressure sensors on the back of the machine. We also pick up some other internal information off the machine. And all of that is data logged. So you have some sort of paper trail if somebody comes at you and says you didn't spray the job right, or you need to have a discussion with maybe your foam manufacturer. But that is a very, very nice upgrade. You download it to a thumb drive, take the thumb drive into your office, and you can load that Excel information onto the customer's file and have it for the length of the relationship with your customer. Alright guys, this is it. Very nice trailer. We painted the white inside. Looks great. Just a beautiful trailer. Hopefully Ricardo makes a bunch of money with it. And if you have any questions or anything we can do to help you, please call us. This is Tim, Spec Technologies, 770-274-9888. Thank you guys.